The National Weather Service in Duluth, Minnesota has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Itasca County, northern Cass County, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Bemidji, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Leech Lake and Federal Dam. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.